Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalatu wassalamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة وقال الذين اتبعوا لو أن لنا كرة فنتبرأ منهم كما تبرأوا منا كذلك يريهم الله أعمالهم حسرات عليهم وما هم بخارجين من النار. Translation. And those who followed them will say, we wish if we had a chance to return, then we would disown them as they disowned us. Thus Allah will show them their own deeds so as to be regrets for them, and they will never come out of hellfire. In the previous ayahs we saw that the leaders will disown their subordinates and their followers. So, those leaders who used to say that we will get you in a higher status with Allah, and those who made all those false claims will disown them. And now, in this ayah, about those people who were the followers, who were the small people in the world, but they had great expectations from their leaders or from those entities that they thought will help us in front of Allah, those entities that they loved more than they loved Allah, or they loved as they loved Allah. So these entities will disown them, and now they will be wishing that Allah send us back in the world so that we will disown them as they are disowning us now. So, whatever they did in the world will become as a deep regret for them. Why? Because we can understand that in this world, if we miss a chance, if we miss any deal, then we think that, oh, I should have not done that and I should have done this. And there is regret about that. But what could be a bigger regret that would result from getting in the eternal paradise to getting in the eternal hellfire? There cannot be any deal worse than this. This is the worst deal anyone can make, that leaving eternal paradise and going in eternal hellfire because of some entity who they believed will help, and now they are disowning them. So, whatever they did in the world will become a regret, a deep regret, and a feeling of hopelessness and helplessness. And Allah will show them that their deeds are regrets and nothing else. And then they will get in the hellfire and they will never get out of the hellfire. So, these ayahs are here for us to understand today, to open our eyes today, that if we have kept anyone in our hearts other than Allah, that he or any entity or anyone who can get us away from the hellfire, we should realize it today. Because if we realize it today and correct ourselves and make our worship pure for Allah and make our love pure for Allah, inshallah it would result for us in getting in the paradise. Oh Allah, give us the vision so that we can see the truth now. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.